Hey everybody, DixieThumper. Just took a little ride up to power line there and found a tree, leaned this old door section up against it, and test fired some of these DixieThumper ready to load 40 mic rounds. I was aiming center mass and grouping. I was shooting about 25-30 yards away, grouping high and to the right pretty much. The majority of the rounds were loaded with the Fiocchi 380 Rem blank, and I had two loaded with the white RWS blanks. They say 250 bar on them, and then two with the yellow RWS blanks. By and far, the yellow ones are the most powerful so far I've shot. There is red ones. I have not fired them yet. I think I'm gonna do that with the bigger rounds, but I wanted to follow up with how everything performed. I've got video of the shoot that I'll upload certain segments of it, and you'll be able to see. And it went well. So these are the surplus MK Industries casings. They take 9x17 or the 380 Rem blanks. I did add some tissue and a aluminum gas check in each one of them. That definitely helped. There's no signs of overpressure in any of them. Blanks all performed admirably, no issues. The 380 blanks are a little less, little weaker, but for 25-30 yards chalk fun, they worked great. The chalks broke. You can see there's the two yellow, and I believe these, I don't know about if that's the white or not, but the two yellow are the yellow primers. So these are some of the pushers that we recovered. So I feel these, they have a metal disc on the back. I think this one might have been one of the more powerful ones because it kind of blew it up. It blew the glue plug out, and the disc is gone too. So that's not surprising. It's kind of it's just meant to hold it together through the air. You can see the rifling marks on it. So it did stabilize, and it was pretty accurate. They were pretty accurate for the most part. I do have some variance between the machines. So a few of these are like my main K2 is dead on, and then the other two are a little off. They're a little oversized, and I scale them back to 99, which makes them just a slightly undersized. So they're not as accurate as the K2 ones, but they still work fine. So here's the glue plug up top. See how it's popping out? It's still in there pretty good. And the disc and the glue plug on the bottom is gone. This one is still there. So you could salvage the disc. I probably will on these. Why not? I've already paid for it, right? So if I can use it again, just like a freebie, you can see the disc in there. No problems. They're designed for the nose cone to snap when it hits, and that's what it did. It performed just what it was supposed to do when it hit. It snapped and chalk marked the tree. Thicker glue plugs seem to work better. No issues. There's the rifling. So this was all out of my Pen Arms launcher. The first one I got, which is right here. I have another one that I have to. It's in NFA jail right now. I have to wait till it clears, and then I'll go up to McDonough, Georgia, and pick that up. Quiet Riot Firearms. Yeah, so that's the group. You can see the red chalk. All these little ones are loaded with red chalk. I don't think there's any in here. It's just a hollow core door. But I'm going to, I've got some more wood over here I'm going to use to make more targets and do some more testing with the heavier loads. And I'm also going to test some of the less lethal. That's why I'm going to save this. I want to test the less lethal, see if it'll go through a hollow core door. I'm pretty sure it will. This is just an old door from my other house. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'll update those videos here shortly.